How to bypass your version of Roblox may be out of date error. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can bypass your version of Roblox may be out of date error. First of all, make sure that Roblox is closed completely on your PC. After closing the Roblox completely, simply open up your PC settings. In the settings, navigate date and time and make sure set time automatically is turned on. If it isn't, simply toggle on and close the settings. The other thing that you can try is if your Roblox is working correctly or not. If you have downloaded it from Microsoft Store, simply try opening the Microsoft Store and see if it is updated or not. If there is an update available, simply update your Roblox application and see if the problem is solved. The next thing you can do is search for Device Manager in your search bar. Open it up. In the Device Manager, make sure that your network adapters that you are using currently are updated to the latest version. If you don't know which one you are using, simply update all of them one by one. If the problem isn't solved yet, simply navigate to your PC settings and make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. If the problem still persists, simply open up the Apps section in your PC settings. Search for Roblox. And uninstall and reinstall it. You can either uninstall it or you can search for app data in the search bar like I am doing. And then navigate to the app data folder, then local, and then search for Roblox. Then delete the Roblox folder and try opening the Roblox application. The application will try to download the deleted files and your problem will be solved. That's how you can bypass your version of Roblox may be out of date error. Thanks.